Today we're going to learn how to bleach dark roots blonde. You can see our client here has roots which are level 3, really pretty dark, and she wants to be level 10 blonde. So clearly we're going to need to use a really good bleach and lift those dark roots right up to level 10. We're going to show you how it's done in this video. For bleach today we're going to be using Brilliant Blonde X, which is our lightener with Bond Protect with 30 volume developer. Brilliant Blonde X is very gentle, but it has a lot of lift, up to 7 levels, and it produces a creamy white mix, which is really nice, and of course it's got Bond Protect, which means it protects your hair while you're bleaching. The mix we use is 1 part bleach to 2 parts developer. Just keep on stirring it and you'll find that you'll produce a very nice pasty mix. Now we go ahead and apply the bleach mix to the root area, trying to avoid poking the scalp unnecessarily. Just place the product on the hair right near the root. That's good enough. And of course, try not to overlap. People always ask us, how long should I leave the bleach in the hair? Now, there's no fixed answer to that question. You need to really watch and check. You will know, once you examine the hair, you will be able to see for yourself, like here, that the hair has been lifted. See, we've got it to a very consistent level 10 with pretty much no line of demarcation between the roots and the ends. To tone today, we're using 10.21. That toner is now called 10V. It's a blue-violet based pearl toner. We mix that toner with 20 volume developer and apply very quickly through the hair. So after bleaching, we're using Brilliant Blonde X shampoo and Brilliant Blonde X mask, both with Bond Protect, to condition the hair and to strengthen it. So there we go. Beautiful, white, blonde, healthy